2017 Mazda CX-5 engine and transmission review. While the CX-5 is one of the few in its class without an optional turbo, its standard 4-cylinder feels quite responsive. A quick shifting 6-speed automatic avoids the dull demeanor and droning engine noise common with the continuously variable automatic transmissions, CVTs, used by some competitors. The CX-5's lone engine is Mazda's familiar 2.5-liter inline-four, making 187 horsepower and 185 pounds-ft of torque. Horsepower increased by 3 horsepower for 2017 due to internal engine updates. Torque is unchanged. Snappy low-speed throttle response is satisfying, but the engine loses gumption on the highway, leaving us thirsty for thrust. In our acceleration tests, the CX-5 finished second to the Honda CR-V. The uplevel engines in the Kia Sportage and the Chevrolet Equinox have a 50 and 65 horsepower advantage, respectively, over the CX-5 and will test it in a drag race. The CX-5 should have more low-end grunt when a new torquey diesel 4-cylinder goes on sale this fall, but we're not expecting it to be quicker. Tow ratings compared. Towing is not a strong point of vehicles in this class. The CX-5 is capable of hauling a small trailer or a couple of jet skis, but its 2,000-pound maximum is marginal for anything heavier. The CR-V and the Rogue offer even less towing capability.